When we discuss human anatomy, we use specific directional terms. These terms help us easily locate any structure in the body. To understand these terms, we imagine a standard human posture called the anatomical position. In this position, a person stands straight with arms at their sides and hands facing forward. The legs are parallel and the face looks straight ahead. Now that you understand the standard anatomical position, let's go over the directional terms one by one. Anterior. Anterior means towards the front. For example, the sternum is anterior to the heart. In humans, sometimes the word ventral is used instead of anterior. Posterior. Posterior means towards the back. For example, the spine is posterior to the heart. Sometimes the word dorsal is used instead of posterior. So, in humans, anterior is the same as ventral, and posterior is the same as dorsal. Superior. Superior means towards the head or above. For example, the head is superior to the abdomen. Inferior. Inferior means towards the feet or below. For example, the stomach is inferior to the heart. Sometimes the word cranial is used instead of superior, and caudal is used instead of inferior. Median. The median or midline is an imaginary line drawn down the middle of the body, dividing it into equal right and left halves. Medial. Medial means towards the midline of the body. For example, the nose is medial to the eyes, meaning the nose is closer to the midline than the eyes. Lateral. Lateral means away from the midline. For example, the arms are lateral to the chest, meaning the arms are farther from the midline than the chest. Proximal. Proximal means closer to the reference point or trunk of the body. For example, the elbow is proximal to the wrist, meaning the elbow is closer to the trunk or where the arm starts than the wrist. Distal. Distal means away from the reference point or trunk of the body. For example, the fingers are distal to the elbow, meaning the fingers are farther from the arm joint than the elbow. External or superficial. These terms are used for structures towards the surface of the body. For example, the external ear or skin is superficial to the muscle. Internal or deep. These terms are used for structures deep inside the body or away from the surface. For example, the internal ear or bones are deep to the muscle. Body planes. Body planes are imaginary lines that divide the body into sections. There are three types of body planes. Sagittal plane. The sagittal plane is a vertical plane that divides the body into left and right parts. After dividing the body with a sagittal plane, we can observe body parts from a side angle. Coronal plane. The coronal plane is also a vertical plane that divides the body into anterior and posterior parts. The coronal plane is also called the frontal plane. After dividing the body with a coronal plane, we can see the body parts from the front or back angle. Transverse plane. The transverse plane is a horizontal plane that divides the body into superior and inferior parts. After dividing the body with a transverse plane, we can see the body parts from above and below. This view is also called a cross-section in anatomy.